So today I'm going to show you how to use slash fill in Minecraft. This is on Bedrock. I don't know if it's any different on Java. But you want to pick a corner and don't place it the block below. You'll see in a second I'm talking about. So pick a corner. Pick a different corner diagonally from where you're standing. Write it down if you're on Pocket Edition, or copy and paste it in if you have a computer. Okay, so go to the other one. I'm gonna explain something in a second. So fill in the block above. So you see what I mean when I enter the command. So you have to put slash fill. This is the important part. Then put in the coordinates of your other corner, not this corner, because that's the mistake I did, and I just filled in one block where I'm standing. And basically, the squiggly lines are important. Then I'm using oak planks. If there's any spaces, use underscores, because that's important in the Minecraft code. See, it places it on the block above. That's how you fill in stuff. Goodbye, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are, and goodbye.